Hello everyone. So as you all know me very well, it's me Nandini and today I am going to talk about a northeastern state of India which is a land of rich valleys surrounded by beautiful hills and lakes, and it is also a land of gentle peoples full of laughter and joy. And the state is one of our seven sisters state, and the state is Manipur. So today we will know about the state Manipur. So Manipur is a state in the northeast of India, and there are 16 districts in Manipur, and Imphal is its capital and the largest city of Manipur. So if we talk about the geographical conditions of Manipur, so it is bounded by the Indian states of Nagaland to the north, Mizoram to the south, Assam to the west, and our neighboring country Myanmar to the east. And moving on to the next point, that is the area and population of Manipur. So Manipur has a total area of 22,327 square kilometers, and according to the population census of 2011, Manipur has a total population of more than 28.5 lakh, and the 30% of population live in the urban area and the rest 70% live in the rural areas. So let's know about the tribes and the climate of Manipur. So there are total 33 tribes in Manipur divided into three communities. First, the Meitei communities, second, the Naga communities, and the third, Kuki communities. So the Meitei communities live in the urban area and the Kuki and Naga communities live in the rural areas. And the official and most widely spoken language of Manipur is Meitei, officially known as Manipuri. And the climate of Manipur is highly influenced by the topography of region. This northeastern state of India enjoys a generally amiable climate. Here winters can be chilly and the highest temperature in summers is 32 degrees Celsius, and the coldest month of Manipur is January and the warmest is July. So now let's talk about the government or politics of Manipur. So the government of Manipur is a collective assembly of 60 elected members, in which 19 are reserved for scheduled castes and 1 for scheduled tribe. And since 1963, 12 people have served as the chief minister of Manipur. 5 among these belonged to the Indian National Congress, and the current chief minister of Manipur is Nongthombam Biren Singh since 2017, and he is the first chief minister of Manipur belonging to the Bharatiya Janata Party. So that's all about the state Manipur. Thank you.